In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the process of purchasing a hosting plan on Hostinger. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to set up another site or a complete beginner stepping into the world of web hosting, fear not, I've got you covered with these easy to follow instructions. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to hostinger.com. This is your starting point, and it's where the journey into seamless web hosting begins. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice various menu options and banners highlighting different features. It might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, these options are here to cater to all kinds of hosting needs, from individual projects to corporate websites. Now, the next thing you'll do is choose a hosting plan. Hostinger offers several different plans, each tailored to different requirements and budgets, so it's essential to select one that best fits your needs. Are you building a single blog or a complex e-commerce site? Think about your goals and how much traffic you expect to receive. These considerations can inform your decision. As you hover over the options, you'll see a breakdown of features. Take your time to compare and contrast until you find the one that's just right for your needs. After you've selected a plan, it's time to create an account or log in if you already have one. For new users, signing up will involve providing your email and setting a password. An existing user simply needs to log in with pre-saved credentials. Hostinger has made this process pretty straightforward for convenience, ensuring you won't be tangled up in unnecessary steps. With your account set up or accessed, you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Hostinger supports a variety of payment methods, including major credit cards and, in some regions, PayPal. If you've been fortunate enough to snag a discount code or a coupon, this is the moment to apply it and enjoy some savings. Remember that these codes are often time sensitive, so using them promptly is crucial. The final thing you have to do is complete your purchase and kickstart the setup process. Ensure all your information is correct before hitting that pay button. Once you've completed your purchase, Hostinger will guide you through the initial setup, helping you link your domain if you have one, or choose a new one if needed. The instructions are typically straightforward, but feel free to pause and revisit if you need to at any point. It's better to take your time and get everything right. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully purchased a hosting plan from Hostinger, opening a door to endless possibilities for your website. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Happy hosting!